Hey guys, so today's video we learned that the simple matrix problem. So first understood what is the matrix. So matrix is an two-dimensional array of element and that can be arranged in the form of row or element. So if you are given the basic simple matrix array and you say that you print this array in the form of like 1 0 1 3 2 9 2 7 0 3 like this type 1 0 1 3 then 2 9 2 7 then 0 3 8 3 and last array then 7 2 4 5. So you say that the print this above matrix in the following format. So how you can achieve that? So I told you the same approach like by using the brute force approach first. So we take the first, you know that the array has a row and column. So what is row and what is column basically? So this is the row. That means this matrix length. What is your matrix length? That can be the row. This is 1 2 3 4. That four row in this array, and column is that vertically. That means your matrix of one row length, that is a column length 1 0 1 3, that is four row four columns. So how it can be, we can get so let row means basically what matrix, your matrix dot length is your row, and your column is matrix of your zero, your indexing we are using the zero first, so matrix of zero dot length is then your column. So we take this simply string, output string like let output, output string is then string, and we run the loop here. Suppose we take the for let variable I is equal to 0, I is less than, first we run up to the row, checking the length of the row, and then I plus plus. First loop we run as for row, and second loop we take for the column. So j, let j is equal to 0, j is less than column, and j plus plus. And we simply we taking our output string and add this output string up to the j loop. So let our output is equal to output plus our matrix of I of j. If you want to space, add the space also by using this like string and space. So this line we can also write in this format also. That means output is equal to, output is equal to means output plus, that means plus is equal to our matrix of, okay, I and j. And if you want to space, like space this. So these two lines are the same, their meaning means output plus matrix of j, and this plus means if you don't want to output write again and again, so use the plus. So and after that whole operation is completed, then we put the our console.log whatever our output we see output. Okay, so try run this code so you understand clearly. So we take the row, we find the first how many row here, how many column here, and then we take simply one string, output string, whatever our output require. We require this format, so we take the string. If you want to print the array format, so you need to take here array and push whatever your output, then push that output to your output inside that require output. So you take simply for loop, first for loop, dry run. How to loop dry run this? So we take the I loop is first in the zero means this array. Okay, so I run, then we run the j loop. J loop is running from 0 to our column length. So whatever the column is run, if suppose and three column, then it run up to the end one, and if four column, that means it run up to three. Then we know that the first for loop is runs, then one time, then inside that loop is run full. That means if 0 is coming first, so this j loop is come, j loop is completed. That means 1 0 1 3 is completed. After that, for loop again increases up to the I, and I becomes 1. Then it comes to the second array 2 9 2 7. Then it becomes 3. That means it's our output is printing. So we check that our output is printing out. So see 1 0 1 3 2 9 2 7 0 3 8 7. So our output is same as the required output. So let's move to that. Our what is our this problem time and space complexity. So basically, what is time complexity means we are using the two loops here for loop for I and j, for it runs up to the for row and column. That means simply we have a time complexity, then order of whatever our row and into the column. And what is the space? So we are nothing using the space here, any extra space. So our space complexity is an order of one. Okay, so that's it. And This is our problem for a simple matrix problem, and our output is then in this string format, whatever I needed. So guys, I hope you are clear this clear this approach, and also in upcoming video we see the matrix problem, same matrix problem, but finding the different diagonals, and it's a clockwise direction running, anti-clockwise direction we run. So let's see in the next video. And if you like that video, please subscribe my channel and also hit the like button. So bye bye guys, let's see you in